Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Accelerate Learning. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing most of the basics that you need in order to start Microsoft Excel. The version of Excel I'm using is 2021. If you're using any older or newer version, there might be some changes, but I can say that 90 to 95% will be similar. Now let's open Excel and get started. To open Excel, you just need to press the Windows button in your keyboard. Then you can see the PowerPoint here. Select the Excel from here, or you can directly search from the search button. Type Excel and you can see the Excel here. Just click the Excel. You can see the welcome page here. There are already pre-installed templates. You can select any templates according to your needs, but since we are learning basics, let's start with the blank page. Here we have the blank spreadsheet, and the first thing we need to know is about the layout. First, we have the tabs on top. You can see it here, and each tab has a ribbon below. So you can see the insert ribbon here. This is called ribbons, and this is home ribbons, and each ribbon has a group. So you can see here small groups. These are called groups. Here you can see the small buttons will take you into more options, and below that we have the formula bar. This is called formula bar. Here you can see the blank spreadsheets. Blank spreadsheets are made up of rows and columns. These are called columns. You can see all these are called columns. You can add as many as columns you want. It goes on, and here you see the serial number. These are called rows. In the middle of rows and columns, you will see this small box is called cells, and if we add more cells, and these are called range. Below we have this sheet here. You can add as many sheets you want, and all these sheets combined will make one workbook. These are the basics information you'll need to start Excel. Now let's start entering data in the spreadsheet. In order to enter data, just select the cell and type it. Let me make one simple inventory. Add in some more information, serial number, items, unit, and price. You can do anything, whatever you need in the spreadsheet, and this is just for the example. Let me name this inventory as stationery inventory. So you can see the stationery inventory is not fitting the cell, so let me just double click here, and you can see it's getting fit now. Or you can just drag like this way, and to move from one cell to another, you can use the arrow keys in your keyboard. You can move right, you can move left, and you can move down and up. Let me enter some data. I have finished entering the data. You can see I have put two sharpener here. In order to delete one sharpener, just select the row and right click, delete it. And to add new row also, for example, you want to add one row on top of the pen, so we select the pen, right click, and insert, put insert in it. Okay, let's delete it back. I don't need it. Same thing with the column. So if you want to add one column in the middle of items and unit, you can just select the items and insert. Let's delete it back also. Let's keep serial number here. 1, 3. You can select here, select everything. You can see the small this type of dot here. Just select here and drag down like this way, and you'll get the serial number. Now you can see the serial number cells are very big, so let's adjust this. you can just drag like this and make into small one. And let's adjust the items cell. Let's put it like this way. Let's select this stationery all the way here till it ends. And in the home tab, in this ribbon, you can see the alignment group here. Here there is a merge for merging the cells. So if you click this merge, then you can see all the cells has merged into one. And if you want to unmerge that again, you can just go back and click unmerge. We need the merge one, so let's keep it. In case you have done spelling mistakes, just click on the cell and you can double click here and you can write whatever the mistake was. Let's go back in the home tab. So here you can see in the font group, put all the font style you want. You can select any font style and you can see it here. You can put bold, italic, or even underline here. So let's keep bold. And here you can see the color option also. You can put any color you want. You can select this, and here also you can put any color. Let's make this bold for now. And I want to put color in the spreadsheet. You can just select and choose any color you like. So I want to make it like little dark white here. And now let's put some border to it. You can just select, and here you can see in the font group, you'll see borders. You can select the word. Now let's merge this total also. Here you can see the merge. Okay. And for adding all this total, you can see here this editing group. You can see this sign here. You can just click here and submit. And here same thing with that. Just click here and it'll get automatically. Now let's say we want to keep this in the center. Just select everything and you can see here alignment group. You can just align everything according to your needs. These are alignment groups. We have completed entering the data. So let's save now. Go to file and you can see here save as, and you can select all the folders from here, or let's save in the documents. And you can put your documents name as stationery, and you can save it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have learned some basics of Excel.